Alright, boys and girls, welcome back here. We gotta give our buddy here... How do I get to him quick? Is there a way to get to him quick? We might start this episode over then. Well, we'll see what this does. Oh, is this kind of quick? Is this where he is? Oh, yeah, here it is. Okay. Trying to give our pal here... Look at this, the raritonium.
Perfect! This is precisely what I need! You will bring me more raritanium.
You can't be serious.
Ah, well, I tried.
Nice. So we got that's a good way to start the episode here. We got the Persuader here, so now we can get cheaper. Everything's cheaper at these stations now. So let me just take a peek here. It was, I think, 15,000 for... That's 10,000.
Great bargains for you today.
That's really good, actually. So why don't we treat ourselves a little bit here? Let's do the drone device. I'm a little... I don't want to get the 10,000 one yet, because I feel like it might be a little iffy. I might need money. Ooh! I like this device. Is this a gun, or what is this? Is it a gadget? No, it must be a gun. Yeah, I don't know. I like it. Anything to give me extra shields and shit. Let's go to the base here. See if we can find Captain Quark.
It is time to begin your new assignment.
Ah, a photo op by your shiny new shuttle. Terrific idea.
Oh, you really are an idiot.
What?
You are to take that shuttle to the moon base and ambush those two miscreants when they arrive.
Oh, yes. Who are they again?
Those two!
Oh, of course. There is just one problem. I'm,
Too washed up for ground combat? True. That is why I will be loaning you my starfighter. You can still fly, can't you? It's settled then. You will acquire the starfighter once you get to the moon. Screw this up, and the endorsement deal is off!
But that would ruin me. You wouldn't.
Try me.
Look how big he is in that thing. So this, I know it's not the end of the game. It's way too early. But it feels kind of end-of-gamey.
I did not see Drek's ship. We must have missed him.
Who knows where Quark is now? If we're gonna catch those two, we need a faster ship.
Perhaps this space station will supply the ship we need.
Well, we're here. Let's go check it out.
Let's go check it out. All right. Where am I going? Just dropping down here? Doesn't seem right. Let's rocket boost.
Those pulsing towers control the force fields. In order to knock them all out, you're going to need the Gadgetron Devastator or the Visibomb gun.
Matt, I got the Devastator. I'm ahead of the game. Oh boy. Okay, hold on, guys. Hold on. So I need to knock out towers? Glowing towers? Oh, these things? Oh, okay. I could do that. I got that. Okay. Done. Will my sucky thing work on these guys? It will not. Where's the other tower? Surely not that one. I can't hit that behind the gate, right? Unless I can get up here somehow. Which I don't think I can. How do I take that tower out then? Can I shoot through this? No, I didn't think so. How do I definitely can't. I don't want to waste another ammo, but I definitely can't shoot through this, right? Oh my gosh. Well, that worked. Okay, I didn't I didn't think I could do that. Ow. Dick. Ow. I'm fucked. Can you not do that, dude? How was I supposed to dodge that, I wonder? I don't know. Okay, now where? This is a where the hell do I go kind of level, huh? It's a button? Oh, it's a key? Alright, oh, I got this. Easy pie. So that's gotta go, or it could go there. Or there. Let's do it up here. Well, if I do it up there... Let's do it right here. Yeah, that's how you do it. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Oh shit. Hold on, I got this guy again. How the hell do I get past him? You know what? Here's what I'm gonna do. Suck 'em. Done. Work smarter, not harder, right? You guys want to come down here? I got Glove of Doom ammo I'm trying to waste here. Nice, alright, I needed more Devastator. That's good, okay. Alright, so now I'm up here, so... The tower anywhere? No. I feel like this level's uncharacteristically dark, too. You know, oh, did I do this one already? I don't think I did. Definitely did not. Okay. Let's put you right... Someone's shooting at me? Be right there. You can go right there. Nope. Nope, I want to go down. Then you can go right there. Okay, that's where that one's supposed to go, so move the top one. Nope, not the middle. Nope. Move, nope. Move the top one. There we go. I shouldn't have jumped. I shouldn't have jumped. I see you down there. Let's just do a Glove of Doom, okay? Let's just make it easy for everybody involved here. Any more? We done? We good? No health, huh? No health anywhere? I can't tell if one of these is a bomb, so I'm gonna have to do this. It's not. Okay. Alright. Where is the... right there. Okay, so go back to here. Do one of these. Boom. Still got that Glove of Doom bot over there, which is holy shit. Ugh. Is he shooting at me still? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Did I either despawn or did he shoot himself? Alright, give me this health though, please. Oh boy, I am very nervous here. Dead, dead. Okay, good. You bastards. I don't have a lot of ammo for this, you know that? That it? Any more, you fellas? You're good. I suppose I could just buy more ammo, because I got a lot of this, but I don't want to waste money, you know what I mean? Oh shit, oh shit, I didn't see you there. Hold on, pal. That was my bad, dog. Oh shit. Okay. Slow and steady. Just make your way slow and steady through this level. Someone shooting at me? Thought I heard a shoot. No, get that health, dude. That's what I'm trying to aim for. There we go. Okay. We're doing pretty good on health now. Where's my drone? You know what? I should... Here's what I'm gonna do. Do a little crazy here. So now I got those, right? So now this is my army, I'm guessing? They go after bad guys? They sure do, dude. Oh, yeah. Oh, these guys are great. Okay, that's fantastic. Oh, shit. Go fast. Go fast. Go a little faster. Up here you're safe, right? I think. Doesn't reach up here. Where am I going next? Over to that door. Okay, I can do this. Okay, that wasn't bad. Where's my slingshot? Here. This looks a little worrisome because I feel like slime can still get me. Oh, it definitely could have. Wow, it cut that close. Okay. I need a gun. Hold on. I need to switch to my gun. Hold on. I don't got time. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I survived that. I'm sure... Oh, do I have my boots on? I think I do, right? Looks like it. Oh shit! I thought that was coming right up at me. No biggie. Okay. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing, baby. Eesh, singed my tail. Does Ratchet have a tail? I don't even know. I can't switch weapons. Yeah, you know what I need? The blaster, yeah. Done. Is that going up and down? It looks like it's just staying put, right? No, it is going up and down. Oh, that's an instant kill. Okay, that's good to know. I don't mind that. I feel like we're killing it. Imagine getting here and then not having any Devastator ammo left. What is it? Can I shoot these TVs? I cannot. Oh, I can shoot these guys, though. I cannot. Oh, okay. They fixed it. There's Devastator ammo right here then. Okay. So what a pain in the ass that would be. Alright, so... Is that it right there? You know, if you just put one steel grate there, I would have been stuck forever. Really didn't think that one through, did you, fellas? Now, the smart man would buy more ammo. Can you fucking not? Oh my gosh. Jeez-o-loo. Should I buy more ammo? I should, right? I'm down to my last two. It's only... It makes sense. I won't buy a ton, but... You gotta buy some.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Maybe 6. That makes me feel a little better. Now, I was at full health, and then I just lost a ton on that guy. Okay. Sweet. That's health. I should get the drone again. Hold on. Where's my drone at? Man, that just took out a bunch of my drones. Just like that. Saved my life, though. Alright, let's see. That looks good. No, it doesn't. That looks decent. What's this one do? Oh, is that it? Nope. There we go. Oh, I didn't see this last one down here. My bad. My bad, my bad. That changes everything then. That changes everything. This has to be probably there then, and then this one's got to be probably there, and then oh nope, top one, top nope, 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 top one. There, okay. Shit, do I have an actual challenging one here finally? I think I do. These two just like that. No, don't put those two just like that. This has to go here. I think that's it. So that means this one's got to move to, like, here. There we go. Alright, who am I fighting in this room? Nice. Is that a guy or is that an enemy? I think these are just dudes. Oh, they are enemies. Oh, look at this. Behind enemy lines. Ow, I don't know why he auto-aimed to that instead of the guy, but that sucks. I have very little health as it is. So that should be good, right? I see some health over there, which I really want. Glove of Doom ammo, you say? Say less. Kill this guy first. I'm fucked. Did I die? I didn't know there was a helicopter too over there. Son of a bitch. Are you kidding me? Because you gotta aim where they're gonna be, not where they are, son. Oh, and then I got two of these fellas. Alright, check it out. Glove of Doom. Just, can you please just fuck them up? Yeah, get them. Great. And now, Devastator. Holy hamburgers. Okay. Where are you, fellas? Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think I got them both. Damn, that is hard. How can you do that without really cheesing it? That was rough. Even with all that, like, cheats and, like, as much health as I... Well, I shouldn't say cheats. Being cheap. That's what I was doing. And with all that health that I had... That was still real rough. Oh yeah, you know it's coming. Hold on. Where are you? Oh, well, there's those guys. I see the turrets on my right side over here. How do I get by you fellas? I mean, I could get my drones out, but I don't think that'll absorb enough damage. Can I jump up? Is there like a... Very tricky situation. I see. I know. I see you guys. How the hell do I get past him? Oh shit, there was a decoy gun you can buy. Fuck, should I have bought the decoy gun? You know what? I'm gonna try the drone and just fucking go. Let's see what we can do with this here, huh? Let's just see. Oh boy, here we go. Holy fuck. I sincerely doubt that's how you were supposed to do it. Damn. I can't believe I just did that. That was cool. Oh, am I magnetic? I'm magnetic. What? Oh, fuck me. I need my drones and I need... Let's get the... let's get the... I think Mine Glove might be good. Let's get the Bomb Glove. No. I don't know why my gun's not shooting. I have the... Do I not have it equipped? Yeah, okay. Is that health? I see health. I'm going for the health. Where are they? Where are they? I'm fucked. Goodbye! Holy shit, I thought I was fucked. I still am fucked. Oh, that was risky. Where are they? They're following behind me. Oh, I see more health. Holy shit. Okay, I got a little more confidence back. Let's fuck them up, dude. Yes! Holy shit, that was tough. Okay, cool. What's this ammo? Blaster. I didn't really use the blaster, but that's alright. Get in here. Is this like the end? It's gotta be close, right? This is really just a... This feels like endgame, dude. The way they're just throwing everything at you. But I feel like it can't be.
Hello, Captain Ratchet. Come and get me, hero.
Perhaps we could obtain a ship in there.
Great idea. Let's go.
Oh, they're working together a little bit here.
You know, Ratchet, I'm doing this for your own good.
Oh, are these pickups? Okay, I was trying to hit those. I thought they were pickups. I need more missiles. Give me this. That's not a... That's just a... That's nothing. Oh, I just see my health now. My bad. Is there a way I can get more missiles, or is this just kind of it? I need to shoot crates, I remember that, but... What about these things? Nope. Well, this works. I mean, I am whittling down his health, but he's also kicking my ass, too. Oh yeah, I'm fucked, aren't I? Oh yeah. Yeah, I like fun. I think I'm fucked though. Oh yeah. Oh, by taken out by an asteroid. Alright, hold on, we're gonna get there again. Alright, I'm doing much better this time here. I got him down to pretty much half health again. And I'm saving my missiles here. I'm worried, and I feel like I shouldn't use my missiles on these guys, right? I feel like I should save it for the ship. I couldn't even see that. Oh my fuck. Wait, what? Where is everybody? Oh, okay. I can't see diddly squat. So I'm really hoping there's no. I see it at the last. I can't see. You can't see these things. Hold on. Can I? You can't even alter like the brightness. You can't. This is crazy, dude. You can't see anything. Oh, let me face the sun. If you're facing the sun, but then you lose them. Where'd they go? Oh boy, I'm gonna go back to the. Oh, I can't see diddly, dude. I don't know. Maybe if I just like follow him. Oh, I see one coming. Okay. I'm gonna try to make this brighter for you guys. I see. Oh, now I can see pretty clearly. But when it's like at the other end of like space, you're screwed. Ooh, missiles. Where's that health? Alright, now I'm starting to not be able to see again. And I'm wondering if I'm not hitting him because he's on the other side of an asteroid. He sure was.
Well, it looks like if you want a job done right, you gotta do it yourself.
He's done, dude. He's done. Come on.
You're in big trouble. Big trouble.
He's done. Okay.
Mayday! Well, Ratchet, I'd say you passed the test. Oh, boy.
Yes! Quark is history.
Despite my earlier criticism, I must admit your piloting skills are improving.
I knew you'd come around.
But that has not helped us locate Drek.
Come on, Clank. Can't you just once relax and enjoy a little success? Hey, you want to catch Drek? Betcha this baby can do it.
This is Darla Gratch reporting live from Gorda City. This once peaceful planet is being torn apart today in an unprovoked attack. It now seems certain that Supreme Executive Chairman Drek will not be dissuaded in his efforts to destroy the galaxy for his own selfish needs. All hope certainly seems lost.
Darla Gratch, Channel 2 News.
Yes, I know. It is worse than I expected, too.
Look, maybe you were right. This is a lot bigger than you or me. I was really selfish focusing on Quark.
It is not too late to stop Drek.
Hey, yeah! We've got this new ship. Let's go get him.
Now you are talking.
Wow, is this the end? Is the finale next? There's no way, right? I feel like. Although, I don't know. Boys and girls, we'll find out next episode here. We'll see if we can get Drek. Until then, stay cool, stay frosty. Hasta la pasta, babies.